In this module, let's talk about management commitment. What is management commitment? Management commitment is the expression of the intent, the relevant actions, and the allocation of sufficient organizational resources to ensure that the information security program is properly and fully implemented. Now, ISO 27001:2013 or ISMS standard in clause 5.1, which is the leadership clause in the beginning of the standard, specifies 8 to 10 steps on what the expectation from the leadership, the topmost leadership of the organization is, while it drives management commitment. And those are, the first one is policy and objectives are established clearly as a constitution compatible with the strategic direction of the organization. Then we have integration of ISMS requirements into all the business processes and the operational processes of the organization. So it goes very deep into the organization. And then that resources are sufficiently allocated, that the communicating importance or the importance is communicated by the leadership of the security program. Moving on, the intended outcomes of the security program should be achieved. Directing and supporting persons, relevant persons, department heads, people in leadership positions should be directed and supported so that the information security program is implemented fully. Promoting continual improvement of the program and supporting other management roles in, for example, regions or other people, other duties that are also supporting the information security program, that needs to be done as well. Now, what is tone at the top? The tone at the top is the culture that the top management builds in the organization, which everybody is watching. Management, the management layer, which is below the leadership layer, so the leadership would consist of, let's say, the CEO, the chairman, the board, and management would be the managers who implement the operations. The management closely watches the actions of the executive leadership. They're closely watching and closely hearing. And that sets the culture. Whatever the leadership does, it sets the culture of the organization. The importance given to information security by executive topmost leadership becomes the minimum threshold or the minimum acceptable level for the entire rest of the organization. In practice, how is the management commitment expressed actually, practically in an organization? Through security policy, which is a clear, concise policy, which is fully implemented. Security responsibility delegated to a head of a department. A security steering committee at the board level, which periodically reviews and supports the information security program. And then quarterly or frequent management reviews of the information security program, giving the periodic support, checking where additional resources may be required, additional help may be required, where there may be additional red flags, and to gauge the performance and to support the information security program in all the ways that we just talked about in the beginning of this module. Thank you.